Now that it's motor test of the week again, and this week I'm going to give this motor a test. I've already had one of these motors. They're great little motors. Made my little Delta plane zoom along pretty good. It's for a 250 size quad, but like I said, you know me, I do planes, and yeah, it's a great little motor. It's a DYS MR 2205 2750 kV motor. They're still on offer at the moment on HobbyKing. Yeah, great little price, about a third off what they normally are, and these are a great little motor. So let's just have a look. Hang on, let me have a look. I will say, yeah, they've got really long leads on them though. They so you, whatever you're putting it on, you probably have to cut them down a bit. It's don't know why they're bothered with quite such long leads on them. Comes with 2 sets of screws and 2 lock nuts, which is good in case you lose one. Also comes with a little spanner as well, which is doesn't show on here, but it comes with a little spanner for doing up your nuts. Well, hey, right, and let's have a look at the specs. Right, so it's 28 grams in weight. It's for 3 to 4S. Recommends a 4 by 4.5 to 6 by 4.5 prop. It says maximum power on 3S is 306 watts, and maximum power on 4S is 529 watts. I did run mine a little higher in my Delta plane. Does draw a little bit more current, but yes, it seemed to handle it okay. It says well, it says 27.6 amps on 3S and 35.8 amps on 4S, but yeah, that's not the max that you can run on 3S or the max that you can run on 4S. It's you know, whatever the max amps is the max amps. Let's have a look at the specs here. It says the max current is 36 amps, so it doesn't matter if you're running it on 2S, 3S or 4S, the max amps that you can run is 36 amps. So that's just happens to be what that prop that it suggested drew on 3S. So yeah, these are great little motors. I've got it on the thrust stand, and let's give it a test. Right, here we are, and the first prop I'm going to try is a DALPROP 5045. It's a bullnose prop, but it's the slightly rounded off bullnose style prop. And I'm going to test it on 3S first with a Rhino 2250 milliamp 25C 3 cell, and I'm using a TURNIGY AE 65 amp ESC. And I may show you a little later why I like using those ESCs. I could show you the problem that you get sometimes with cheaper ESCs, but anyway, let's give this a thrust test first of all. Yeah. Hardly drawing anything. Probably go up quite a bit in prop size. So let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a DIATONE, was it 5045 bullnose prop on 3S. Bit more thrust. Only 24 amps. That's right. Let's try the next prop. Okay, I got these props off eBay. They're called OCDAY, and they're a 6 by 4.5. and it's on 3S.
Blimey. Not impressed with that one, but let's try the next prop. Okay, I thought I'd bung one of these on for a laugh because of the such current draw, well, such the low current draw on the previous prop, and it's a HobbyKing 7035. These are quite cheap, and you get a pack of 4 of them or something. So it's on 3S. So let's give this one a try. More thrust there. Only 27 amps. It's not bad. Right, let's try the next prop. Okay, here we have an APC electric 6x4 prop, and still on 3S. So this sounds a lot different. 29 amps. 333 watts. Right, let's try the next prop. Okay, this is another APC 6x4, but it's a gas prop. So, yes, meant for petrol engines. It's on 3S. Pretty good. Over 100 grams more thrust there. And only at 27 amps. Pretty good. Right, let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a TGS 6x3 sports prop on 3S. Pretty good. Only 26 amps. Right. Let's see what else we've got to try. Okay, this is a TGS 6x4 sports prop on 3S. .9 amps, 117 watts. It's not bad. I've got one more prop to try on 3S. Okay, this is a HobbyKing 5x4 3-bladed prop on 3S. Let's give this a try. A bit less thrust there. And drawing 23 amps.
let's move on to the 4-cell test.
Right, here we are. I'm testing the 4-cell now. I've got a ZOP POWER 1800 milliamp 65C 4-cell, and the prop I'm going to try is what I'm using in my mini Delta, which is what I happen to call it. It's a 5x5 TGS sports prop. So let's see how this performs. Although in the mini Delta I'm using a smaller 1300 milliamp 4-cell, so power figures are going to be slightly different, but let's see how it goes. That's not bad. The plane only weighs about 400 grams, so that's probably why I'm getting pretty good power from it. Blimey, is that all it's... That's strange, because I measured about 550 watts in my mini Delta, so that's strange. I wonder if this one's just not performing as it should. It seems a bit down on power, but anyway, let's try the next prop. Okay, so now I'm trying a TURNIGY 4.7x4 high-speed prop. These are also known as GEMFAN high-speed props on Banggood. But let's see how that goes on 4S. That works quite well. Blimey, only 25 amps. This motor seems to be performing pretty well. Well, seems to be drawing a lot less current than the other one, so I don't know what's going on with that. Anyway, let's try the next prop. Okay, I was going to try a 40-45 bullnose prop, but I thought I'd skip straight to the 40-45 bullnose 3-bladed prop and see how that performs. I think it's a DALPROP 40-45 3-blade on 4S. Let's see how that goes. I'm impressed with that. £29 or 31 watts. Okay, let's try the HobbyKing 3-bladed prop. Okay, this is the HobbyKing 5x4 3-bladed prop, and I'm on 4S. Blimey. Don't know what's going on with this one, it just seems to be drawing a hell of a lot less current. So I'll just test one more prop, see what it can do. Okay, I would have thought this would be way too much for it, but this motor seems to be drawing way less current than the other one I had, which is weird. I don't know if it's the 4-cell battery or what, but this is a TGS 6x3 sports prop. I would have thought this would be way too big, but let's see how it performs on 4S. Well, it's still only just at its maximum. It did make it warm there. Where's the temperature gauge? Yeah, that made it a bit hot. But it, you know, it went. Still the same figures, hasn't changed. Oh, that made it very hot though. So this one seems to be performing way different to the other one I had. It's gone over 50 degrees. So maybe not try that prop, that's getting hot. 4S. But anyway, you know, maybe I'll give it a go with the other batteries I'm using on the Delta and see what makes a difference, see if it's that 4 cell or something. But anyway, that's the end of this motor test of the week. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't been here before. And I'll see you again next week on Motor Test of the Week. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.